Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, something really cool to show you today, and it is a remote control skateboard that is all terrain. I've never owned one, but now I do, and I love this thing. So check it out. It's over here. I can bring it forward. Come to me. It goes over anything. Come down here and stop. So watch this. I'll hop on it and let me tell you about it. All right, old guy on skateboard. Now, if I spin this camera around, it's an Insta360 1RS, so I don't have to spin it around. It does it automatically. You can see there's gravel on the road over there. This thing, if the camera looks down, you can see there's wheels that are super huge on this thing. So I can go over this gravel, no problem, at high speeds if I want. Speaking of speeds, I have 4 speeds on here. This thing will go up to 45 kilometers per hour, if you can imagine that. I have a range of 27 kilometers. It can take a weight load of 100 kilograms, and the battery in here is massive. It is huge. Wait until you see the battery. Well, I'm probably showing it to you now, so you're seeing the battery. Anyways, this product is so cool. I received it about 3.5 weeks ago, and I've been riding it almost every day, daily, because it's so much fun, and I let other members of my family drive it as well. It is one of those skateboards that if you don't know how to skateboard, I'm going to show you some people learning how to skateboard for the very first time trying this. It's so simple to learn, and this here gives you so much confidence because the wheels are so large. It could go over large things. It could go over like grass. You could drive on grass. You could drive on gravel, anything you want. Just like I'm doing right now. I'm just driving and talking. I'm going over so many cracks and bumps and crevices everywhere that normally on a normal skateboard I'd be a little bit worried. But on this thing, I have no qualms, no worries, nothing. This is something you normally don't see people do, drive a skateboard on a gravelly dirt road. It just doesn't happen with potholes everywhere. So I tell you, this is the best thing since sliced bread for me. Now let me show you my review. As I mentioned, I got this like over 3 weeks ago. As soon as I got it, I pulled it out of the box and I took it to my field and let everybody test it out. And I drove it around and had a Skydio drone follow me. So check this out. Okay, here I am on a trail. I have the Skydio over there, and let's see how it works. So let's go. Looking down at my skateboard, I'm going to give it some gas. Moving forward on the gravel, and here we go. This is an all-terrain vehicle, so it should work well out here. I'll take it slow in the corners because they just graded this pathway, so this is sort of like not hard dirt, it's kind of soft dirt, so I can slide out, but it seems to be pretty good. A lot of bumps, but it's doing it, and it's doing it well. Holy cow, this is really good. It's so soft that my wheels are squirming out everywhere. All right, if my Skydio is working back there, you can see I'm coming up to a forest. I'm just gonna I'm gonna go in a bit and then turn. The Skydio should be able to go in here without crashing, I would think. I could be totally wrong. Whoa, whoa, this ground is terrible. I don't know. Whoa. All right, I'm only going so far. I'll turn around because the Skydio is gonna have difficulty after a while. Oh, he's still there. And you're gonna smash in the trees or something, buddy. All right, I'm gonna turn around. I'm not gonna go. This isn't a video about the Skydio, because if it was, you'd all be going, that's pretty amazing. It is the most amazing drone for following people, even with all this stuff. I'm looking at it up there, but here we go. Follow me back out, buddy. I'm not gonna task you too much. Let's get through this mud. It's going through the mud, no problem. It's a-going. Whoa, go, get through all that. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna squat a little bit because all these bumps are making my legs go all over the place. If this was hard packed sand, gravel, it would be easier to ride in, but it's sort of like surfing in quicksand. But the takeaway from this is that this all-terrain skateboard can easily ride over this. Okay, I'm gonna go on another course over here. There's another gravelly course. I'm going through the grass. Going through grass. Still going, still got me, and there we are. Now I'm on a different packed gravelly course. This is a running track, so it's a little bit more hard packed, a little bit easier for this thing to drive on. Still says my wheels are turning at about 14 or 16 kilometers an hour in this gravel on speed number 1. Now obviously you can go much faster, but you know, I don't want to wipe out, because the faster you go, the more torque you have. So it's going to push itself even harder through all this gravel and everything that's below me. And of course your wheels will start to spin a little bit. Well, I'm out here today flying airplanes, RC planes, and the guys are out there. They're taking a break from flying. I'm going to drive over in the grass to go see them. They're over there. So watch this. I got to go up this grassy trail. So here we go. Looking this way. Come through. Let's see. Getting closer to them. There we are, going through the grass. Coming up. Is that amazing or what? All right, back on pavement. And now we can go a little bit smoother. Let's go this way. Okay, I want to try this. That's a speed bump right there. And I'm going to go slow. Just see if it can go over these big speed bumps. Oh yeah, no problem. It doesn't belly out. I was worried that the belly, the center part, would bottom out over a speed bump in the center. It doesn't do it at all. I'll pick the biggest spot over here to see if it bellies out. Coming up to it. There we go. Going down. Nope. Didn't hear any bellying out. Also, now that I've been riding this for a little bit, the trucks are wearing in, and now I can actually carve a little bit better, moving my legs around like you would on a normal skateboard. I'll turn the GoPro around. I'm going up this little spot here and coming. There we go. I'm up it, and now I got to turn around because I'm screwed here. But hang on, I'm on an all-terrain skateboard. Let's try this. We're going this way. Whoa! Let's go this way. In between stuff. Nice! Nothing's off limits with this thing. As long as you can climb up it and get over it, it's pretty darn decent. So let's go this way. Going around. Now I'm on the sidewalk. You got all the bumps happening down here. I have no worries driving this thing because it is very reliable. Like, it has given me a lot of confidence. The wheels are so big that anytime I hit these bumps and curves and dips and cracks in the pavement and everything else, I don't worry about it anymore. I used to, but not anymore because the wheels are so large on here. All right, let's come around this way. Let's go here, close to the school. Come down here. Go around here. We got some soft gravel there, so I'm gonna ignore that. Go over here. My Skydio is like going, hey, where are you? It's buzzing all over the place. I'm driving on grass down here, and I'm back on a sidewalk. Come on over here. So I would say anybody who gets this skateboard, you can commute to work easily over everything. You got cars in your way, well, just go over onto the side curb, go over onto the sidewalks, go onto the trails, go in and out through things as I'm doing here. No problem, watch out birdies. And then come all the way over here. I'm gonna close to the school. It sounds like my Skydio is avoiding everything. I just hear it buzzing up top. It's like, whoa, where are you going? And then I'll stop over here. Come on over to the right, buddy. See if you can catch up to me. I'm moving now. I'm moving at high speed. So you bring it on back. Put you to the back of me. And there's all the guys waiting for me. All right. Once again, we'll put the brakes on. All right, the next thing I want to show you is what comes in the box. Check this out. This is the box your skateboard comes in, and you will notice it is extremely well packaged. First thing I noticed is that the skateboard has a bit of weight to it. Nice touch, putting a safety notice on the board. The board itself is fabricated out of the materials I'm showing you on the screen. I will say it is nice and grippy. The board comes with very large wheels and heavy-duty trucks. There is plenty of clearance underneath, and it's a nice touch that they added a handle to the front. The Bluetooth remote is rechargeable and a USB cable is provided. To take your skateboard out for a ride, simply press the power button on the skateboard, then power on your remote. You'll know the remote and skateboard are connected because you'll see the battery level for both. You have 4 levels of smooth, speed, as well as braking and reverse. To charge up the skateboard, a power brick is included. Simply plug it in the wall, then plug the other end into the skateboard. Battery specs are shown on screen, and it is removable and replaceable. Accessories include tools and an instruction manual. All right, final thoughts on this skateboard. I love it. I absolutely love this skateboard. I've been driving skateboards since I was like 13 years old, and I've had many different types. And when electric skateboards came out, I had electric skateboards. I'm a little fussy on which ones I like, but this one, I really love this all-terrain thing. The only negative I could say about it is the weight. This is not a skateboard you want to carry and walk like a mile or a kilometer or whatever distance. Certainly if you take the battery out, it doesn't weigh very much, but altogether it's pretty heavy. So other than that, everything about it is perfect. I've had no issues over the last 3.5 weeks, no loose bolts, screws, anything like that. The warranty's not bad as well. I'll put the warranty over here, what it is. So I don't think the price is too bad either for what you get. So check it out. The links are below, the website and everything else. Go check that out and see if this is the skateboard for you. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions on this skateboard, well, just post them below as I go around this corner and all these cracks and potholes. And I will catch you in another video pretty soon with really cool products to review. Till then, I say bye. So here's the plan. I'll take it for a drive, and then I'll let anybody else who wants to try it take it for a spin. Slowly push the accelerator on.
Good luck.
And I'm gonna let you go. Gotta get into the position. And there he goes.
There he goes.
It's going, his first try. Oh, he's got some speed going now. This might be a skateboarder in the making. Look at that, look at that, so far. So far, Joe's got it the best. There we are. Well, he's got it now. So this would be an obstacle, Steve. Yeah, you might want to miss this. Try number 23. Here he goes. Okay, got some motion happening. Now he's going. And he's going for the obstacle again. Watch out for that post. Oh my God. Was that your first time on a skateboard?
First time on a skateboard.
See, that's pretty awesome then. So
I highly recommend it to old men.
Yeah, to old men. Yeah, I know. That's all that's out here is old people riding a skateboard. This should be the name of the video. So there you go. Anybody can drive this here skateboard. It's not super hard. You know, a little bit of practice, you can drive this. Just all in the balance.